Hello dear students, this is the question asked in JEE 2020. Okay, let us discuss this question. Let coefficient of x power 4 and x square in this expansion of this whole thing is alpha and beta. Means coefficient of x power 4 is alpha, coefficient of x square is beta. Then what is the value of alpha minus beta is the question mark. Right? So how to find here? Now simply, if I want to find alpha minus beta here, I do one thing. So first of all, I consider this one as a plus b whole power 6. I expand this binomial theorem. So I get as 6c0, a power 6 plus 6c1, a power 5 and b power 1 plus 6c2, a power 4 and b square into 6c3, a power 3 b cube in plus 6c4, a power 2 into b power 4 plus 65, a power 1 into b power 5 plus 66, a power 6. As you know, binomial expansion. So I did a binomial expansion, that's it. So I am taking another one is a minus b whole power 6. I am taking this is a, this is b. I am considering this is a, this is b. So 6 is 0. So I can write as a power 6. When you have here minus, you get all here minus in the whenever you have 1 3 at the terms, you get as minus. So 6c1 a power 5b plus 6c2 a power 4b square minus 6c3 a cube b cube plus 64 a square b power 4 minus 65 a power 1 b power 5 plus 66 a power 6. Now we will add this both. Because you have the symbol here addition, so add. If you have here minus, do subtraction. So if I add here, I get as a plus b whole power 6 plus a minus b whole power 6. This is equal to, this will be cancel out, this will be cancel out, this will be cancel out. What I am going to get 2 times of 6c0 a power 6 plus 6c2 a power 4 b square plus 66, 64, 4 right, 64 a square b power 4 plus 66 b power 6. I am going to get this. Now here this question only I assume. Now I am writing the answer for this. 2 into 6c0, a I replaced with x power 6 plus 6c2, a I assume 6 x power 4, b assumed as under root of x square minus 1 whole square plus 64, a is assumed x square and b is under root of x square minus 1 whole power 4 plus 66 under root of x square minus 1 whole power 6 I am going to get. Now we have to simplify this, okay? So let us simplify this. Let's simplify here. If we simplify, what we are going to get here, the answer for this is equal to 2 times of 6c0 x power 6, 6c0 value 1 plus 6c2 value how much? 15, na? 15 into x power 4 square root cancel x square minus 1 plus 64 value 15 x square into, so this I get as x square minus 1 by 2. This is nothing but square root is 1 by 2. So if you cancel you get square. Okay, 1 by 2 into 4 will be square plus 61 is 1 and this I get as 1 by 2, that's 6 by 2, that is 3 you get, power 3. So under root of x square minus 1 whole, right, root will be cancelled, power 3 I will get. So this is the whole thing I am going to get, right. So I hope you understood here what I have done. This power is there, no? This power, x square minus 1 whole power 6 to the power of 1 by 2, 3 times cancel. So like that. So now here I can write as 2 times of x power 6 plus 15 x power 4 into So you can multiply directly this 15x power 6 minus 15x power 4 plus, look at here, any mistakes are there, tell me, 15 into x square into x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 plus here is x square minus 3x square into 1, a minus b whole cube formula, plus 3a, acha, here you get power 4, okay, and here 1 square, okay, minus, tell me, 1 cube, correct? A minus b whole cube, correct, hai na? Yes madam, right? So here this you got, yeah, so I can write this one. So now this is will simplify. If I simplify this, what I am going to get, 2 into x power 6, see, you have to require x power 4 coefficient. Coefficient of x power 4 I can write as coefficient of x power 4, we write as alpha. So this is alpha. X power 4 I am getting here, that is minus 30 I will get, correct? Then again where I am getting here, minus 60, 5 to the 30, 30 to the 60 I am getting, okay, and 2 3 is the 6, minus 6, totally minus 96 I am getting. So here is alpha is equal to minus 96, alpha is minus 96. Coefficient of x square we consider as beta here. So beta will be how much? X square na? Bolo sir, here no chance. So 5 to the 30, right? 5 to the 30, and here chance is there. So 2 plus 2, here you have 2 3 is a 6, correct? Any more? Correct na? So how much I am getting? 38, correct na? So how much we are going to get here? Alpha minus beta, that is minus 96 minus 38, that is how much here answer? Bolo, tell me. 8 plus 6, 14, 144, minus 144, minus 144 is the answer, right? We will check the answer, once we check the answer. Hello, here small correction, that here this is x power 6, so 30 plus 6, 36 is the coefficient of x square. X square coefficient is, you are getting here x square coefficient 52 is the 30, and you are getting here, that is 3 to the 6, the 36. So 96 minus 96 minus 36. So you get as minus 132, 142, 130, right? Minus 132. Minus 132 is the right answer. Now this is the right answer. Listen here, this is the question. If the irrational part of the number 2 to the power of 403 divided by 15 is k by 15, then what is the value of k? This question is asked in JEE 2019. Okay? JEE 2019 question. How to discuss this? We'll take the number, that is 2 raised to power 403 divided by 15. Okay, this we have to make, okay, easy. Means you have to make an easy part. Like here, this is looking in 403, odd number. Like this I make as 2 to the power of 400 into 2 cube I will write, divided by 15. Okay. So by this way I can write as 8 by 15 into 2 to the power of 400 I can write. Correct? Still this is make in another way 8 by 15 into, can I write as this as 2 power 4 whole power 100. Okay. So therefore I can write as 8 by 15 related this division problems. Na? I will explain next class. When I come I will explain. Okay. 8 by 5. This I will write as 16 to the power of 100. So 16 to the power of 100 I can write. So 16 how can I write? 15 minus 1, 15 plus 1. I can write how much? 15 plus 1. Right. Always you have to write plus 1 combination. Like 1 plus x. Like 1 plus x, how do you have to write like this? So 16 I can write as what? 15 plus 1. So what I can write this one as? 8 by 15 into, this I can write as 15 plus 1 whole power 100. That is 8 by 15 into, I can expand this one, binomial theorem. So what I get here? 100 C0, 1 power. I will write reverse, 1 plus x form. I am not writing x plus 1 form, 1 plus x form. Tell me what I get here? 1 power 100. Getting or? Are you समझ में? I am writing in 1 plus x. 15 is x. Okay. So 1 power 100 plus 100 C1. 1 power how much? 99. 1 power 99. 15 power 1. Got it? Right. Next what I can write here? 100 C2. 1 power 98. 15 square I can write. I can write as what? 100 C3. 1 power 97. 15 cube I can write. Plus so and so. Lastly I can write what here? 100 C 100. 100 C 100. 15 power 100. Okay, I can write like this. So division sums also we do like this only. Here he said that, now tell me, is these all are fractions or these are rational numbers or irrational numbers? This value is how much? 1. This value is 1. And this you are going to get any rational number, irrational? Irrational you will get or rational you will get? All are rational, right? All are rational or not? So that is what he is saying. If the irrational part of the number is k by 15, then what is the value of k? What will be the value of k? What is the value of k? अरे इधर है ना, इसको कंपेयर करो. 8. So k is equal to 8 is the answer. So this is the rational part. Then only this should make irrational part. So what is that here? K is equal to 8 is the right answer. We will do more problems based on this. These are not shut. I have to re-explain. I will explain because that corner is not recorded. This corner I will explain again. I will explain once again. See, if you have to find if the irrational part of the number 2 to the power of 403 divided by 15 is k by 15, find the value of k. JEE 2019 question. So 2 to the power of 403 divided by 15 can be written as 2 to the power of 400 into 2 cube divided by 15. So 2 cube value is 8. 8 by 15 into 2 to the power of 400. So 8 by 15 is equal to 2 power 400. I can write as 2 power 4 into 100. That is 16 to the power of 100. So 16 can be written as, in times always we express as 1 plus x form. So I can write 1 plus 15. Instead of 15 plus 1, you can write 1 plus 15 also. 15 plus 1, you can write however you want. So you can write here 1 plus 15. Okay. So expansion, binomial expansion we applied. So 100C0, 1 power 100 plus 100C1. So this we have applied a binomial expansion. So this part I am getting 1. This part I am getting some rational number. All these I am getting rational number. He said in the question, if the irrational part, if the irrational part of this is k by 15, k by 15, what will be the k value? So if this is a rational part and this is making irrational part, so k value here occupied 8, so the number is 8. K is equal to 8 is the right answer. Okay, fine.